This is gonna blow your mind. A plane disappeared in 1927 and was found. But new clues are rewriting history. Meet Charles Nungesser and François Coli, French war heroes with one bold dream, beat Lindbergh to New York. They took off from Paris in a sleek white biplane called the Whitebird. No radio, no backup, just ambition and a compass. Then, nothing. No crash site, no wreckage, no answers. Some say they went down in the Atlantic, others claim they made it to Canada. Witnesses in Maine even reported hearing an engine sputter overhead that day. Nearly a century later, the mystery still grips historians. Was the Whitebird the first true transatlantic flight? Lost to time? Or is the truth still buried in the woods of Newfoundland? One thing's for sure, this mystery isn't done flying.